Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to easily set up your kick alerts, and if you're new to the channel, please go down below and consider subscribing and leaving a like. So first things first, just go to your browser and then search for Botrix. Click the first result and also click the second result. So the second result is basically just our Botrix extension. We're gonna add that to Chrome and click on add extension here. And Botrix has been added to Chrome. Next, we're just going to set up our Botrix account. So as you can see, there's no login with Kik yet, but you can log in with your YouTube, Discord, Twitch, or even Trovo. So for now, I'll just log in with my Discord. Okay, and then click on authorize. Now once you go through the initial sign in, now you can actually sign in with Kik, so let's do that. Click on accept. Then click on continue. Now we're gonna add Botrix as our moderator, so just click on add new and then search for Botrix. Make sure that it's the one with a green verified check mark and then click on add. And as you can see, Botrix has been added to your moderator list. Now let's go back to our Botrix, then copy this here, copy, and then click here. And then all we have to do is just chat this on our chat. And there we go. So now our account has been linked to Botrix. Now we can go back here and just click on finished. And here just click on settings. Alright, now that we're done with that, just go over here in the top left and click on alerts. So here you can see every type of alerts that you'll usually get: subscriptions, gift subs, followers, raids, kicks, and tips/donation alerts. So of course we're going to set up the most basic one, which is followers. So you can just check this if you want it to be an active alert or not. You can choose the style here. You can choose the provision here. So this is basically the layout and the alert duration. You can also set your own image and your own sound here, the volume, text colors, even the font. So let's just set the basic font that I want. I want something like Verdana, and wiggle, I want it to wave. And hey, thank you for the follow. Alright, now let's just click on save settings. Now your settings is saved. All you have to do now is just copy the widget URL. Of course, do not share this link with anyone, because if they get a hold of this link, they can access your widgets and stuff like that. So just copy this. And then now you just have to go to your OBS or your whatever you're streaming on. And then just add a browser source. Click OK. And then here in the URL, just paste the URL that you copied earlier. Make sure no one sees that. And then as you can see, this little box here is where your alerts will show up. So let's just see how that looks. So as you can see, use the buttons below to test the alert. So let's just test the followers. And as you can see, it does work. Hey, thank you for the follow, Botrix. Now we can change the pictures or the sound using the settings here. We can also make it last longer and then make it, say, zoom down or just zoom, yeah. And then click on save settings. And once that's done, just click on followers again. And there we go, it zooms. And you can hear the little sound it makes. It now lasts longer, and yeah, that's it. Alright, so if you found this video useful, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button to watch all the upcoming videos, and goodbye.